How to change TikTok account region. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change your TikTok account region on Android. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the TikTok and scroll through for your page. And TikTok algorithm shows content based on your location. So if you want to see videos from different country, you need to change your region. So to do that, one easy trick is to change your language settings, and here is how you can do it. So to do that, simply tap on your profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And from the pop-up menu, simply select Settings and Privacy. And once you are in the Settings and Privacy section, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled Language. And here simply tap on the app language and choose the language of the country you want the content from. And this helps TikTok recommend videos from that region. But if you want a complete region change, you need a VPN. So to do that, simply follow these steps. Download a VPN app like NordVPN, ExpressVPN or TurboVPN from the Play Store, and once it's have been downloaded, simply open the app and connect to a server in your desired country. And once you have connected that, simply go back to the TikTok and from there go to the settings, and once you are in the settings page, simply scroll down and tap on free up space under cache and cellular. And once you are in this section, simply clear the cache. And once you do that, simply restart the TikTok and you should start seeing content from the new region. But if your region still doesn't change, then the best option is to create a new TikTok account while connected to the VPN. This ensures TikTok register your account in the new country. And that's it. That's how you can change TikTok account region. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.